Alright, here we got a 2001 Chevrolet truck. We got the condenser we're changing out. Change this condenser out. You need to take the plastic shielding off that goes over the top. And you're going to want to get the grill out. The grill is going to have a 10mm bolt here. And you're going to have to turn these screws here 90 degrees till these face up like this. That's going to release them from those clips. Clips look like this here. And I'll let release them from there. And then on the end you got squeeze clips here that push into here. You have to pop those out. And then as far as this support here, you see you got two 10mm that go in the back here. You're gonna need to remove those. Then you're gonna have this bolt here for the power steering cooler. It's going to go through here. I don't have it fully slid over yet. And then you're going to have two bolts in this lower section here. You remove the one that you can get to, and then the other one you're going to have to move this light out of the way. You see it right here in front of my finger. You can just loosen those. You don't have to take them all the way out. Same on this side. Take that one out. Loosen this one. And then you got 13mm here and here for the lines. To remove them, obviously make sure that the AC is empty before you do this. And then once you got those loose, you simply just pull this forward and pull your condenser up and out. Real easy job, not hard to do. Just gotta have the AC recycled and then swap it all out and go have it charged back up. Real easy job. I did this with just this ratchet here, this here with the 13, and then on that one down there, actually the ratchet wouldn't get in a good angle. I used a 13mm flex end ratchet wrench to get that nut off there. That's pretty much it. Very easy job. So don't be intimidated by this. It's easy to do. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can bring you more content. Appreciate it.